In this video, I'm going to show you how to link an American Express account to your Fidelity account. So the first thing you want to do is you want to log on to Fidelity, then go to your account just like so. You then want to go to the main summary. Afterwards, go to the bottom menu and select over here where it says link in external account. Please go ahead and press on it. Then it is going to give you a list of all the different institutions. So you guys are able to go ahead and find American Express from here. You could also use the search bar as well. But anyways, let's go ahead and select on American Express just like so. Afterwards, then it is going to ask you one more time. Please go ahead and press on connect. Now, the way it works is that it is going to take you to the official American Express website. And from there, you're going to need to go ahead and log in with your American Express user ID and password. And then afterwards, you're going to need to log in. From there, American Express is going to ask you one more time if you want to give Fidelity permission, and you need to go ahead and press on yes. You may need to do some verification as well, so they might send you a code to your phone number, and then you just need to enter in the code. So make sure you have your phone ready to go, and then afterwards, that is going to allow you to link your American Express account over onto Fidelity. So if you guys found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.